If you've ever wondered why Python code looks different from JavaScript or Java, it all starts with variable naming. Python has one clear convention that makes code readable and professional. Python variables follow snake case. That means all lowercase letters with underscores separating words. Instead of user count or user count, you write user underscore count. Instead of first name, you write first underscore name. This isn't just a suggestion, it's the standard that every Python developer follows. Snake case makes multi-word variables easy to read without mixing uppercase letters. The underscore is your separator. Every time you need multiple words in a variable name, use an underscore. Total price becomes total underscore price. Database connection becomes database underscore connection. Single word variables like count or data don't need underscores. The rule is simple. Lowercase letters and underscores only when joining words. This convention comes from PEP 8, Python's official style guide. PEP 8 defines how Python code should look, from variable names to function names to class names. Following PEP 8 means your code fits seamlessly into any Python project. Tools like Flake 8 and Black enforce these rules automatically, catching naming mistakes before code review. When you follow PEP 8, you're writing code that looks like it belongs in the Python ecosystem. Other languages use different conventions. JavaScript and Java prefer camel case, where the first word is lowercase and subsequent words are capitalized. C# uses Pascal case with every word capitalized. Python chose snake case for readability. Underscores create clear visual breaks between words, making variables easier to scan. Once you learn snake case, you'll spot Python code instantly. Python variables use snake case, all lowercase with underscores between words as defined in PEP 8. Master this convention and your code will look professional from day one. Practice on Interview Mentor to refine your Python fundamentals. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.